Hey everyone, I'm David, and welcome to Decrypt-Ed. Today I'll be providing an overview on Cisco Secure Access. We'll break down what Secure Access is, what benefits Secure Access provides, and what capabilities or features are providing them. For those of you interested in a more technical overview, never fear. I'll be going more in depth in later videos. So let's get started. And if you find this content helpful, become a subscriber and share this video. To start, Cisco Secure Access is Cisco's Security Services Edge, or SSE solution. SSE was defined by Gartner in 2021 and is essentially a cloud-hosted security solution. Disaggregated from the underlying network architecture, SSE secures access to the web, cloud services, and private applications, and aims to provide a better user experience regardless of the user or data's location. Generally, SSE features and capabilities include Secure Web Gateway, Zero Trust Network Access, Cloud Access Security Broker, data loss prevention, remote browser isolation, firewall as a service, and digital experience monitoring. Now, I know what you're thinking. Those security services sound a lot like what Cisco Umbrella offered, and you'd be right. You can kind of think of Secure Access as an evolution of Umbrella, where Secure Access builds on top of Cisco Umbrella, adding Zero Trust Network Access functionality and a greater focus on user experience. Now that I've introduced Secure Access, let's talk about the features and capabilities that Secure Access offers today to optimize user experience, increase security, and improve admin operations. Now, there are a lot of capabilities driving each of these areas for improvement. The challenge is that some of these capabilities could arguably benefit 2 or even 3 of these categories, and so it's really hard to break down each feature and function into a single grouping. So I'm going to roughly organize them, but I'll also talk about where and how each capability could also apply to one of the other benefit areas. So first I'm going to add some lines under each category header just to help keep this organized. And then I'll start with Secure Access's focus on user experience using Zero Trust Network Access, or ZTNA, to add secure access to private applications for end users. ZTNA provides frictionless connectivity with zero trust principles. Least privilege can be applied by tying together authentication, posture control, and optional MFA, or multi-factor authentication, along with identity-based policies to give users access to specific applications without exposing the rest of your network. This access is offered both with and without a client. Client-based ZTNA builds per-application tunnels to secure access, and clientless ZTNA provides browser-based access for web applications. Although I'm including ZTNA under user experience, you could easily argue that due to the ease of management and least privilege controls, the ZTNA could also be under both security and the IT columns. For applications that don't support ZTNA, or for organizations that aren't yet ready to make the move, Secure Access also offers VPN as a service. The Cisco Secure Client, the rebranding of AnyConnect as they move from version 4.x to 5.x, and as Cisco consolidates all of their security clients as modules beneath the Secure Client, can be used with Secure Access as a cloud headend in order for users to remote access VPN and access applications that don't yet support ZTNA. Apps like peer-to-peer, server-to-client, or long-tail applications. You can also choose to send all traffic through Secure Access if you'd like to. Although I'm including it under user experience, it can also be included under both security and IT due to the additional security it can provide, as well as the reduction in operational overhead with it being a cloud-hosted headend. Secure Access is also incorporating functions from Cisco ThousandEyes to enable users and IT to resolve performance issues quickly. This functionality has been brought under Secure Access as Digital Experience Monitoring, or DEM. DEM adds visibility for both end-user endpoints and their network experience. DEM gives insights into endpoint CPU, memory, and Wi-Fi, as well as the endpoint's network performance to Cisco Secure Access Cloud and top 20 SaaS applications. Alright, now let's talk about Secure Access's security capabilities. Secure Access improves security and control with a defense in-depth approach. First, backing practically everything in Cisco security is Cisco Talos. A security solution is only as good as the threat intelligence behind it. Talos uses both supervised and unsupervised techniques to programmatically evaluate the trillions of artifacts and samples they receive from all Cisco security solutions each day. Talos receives billions of events, requests, and samples daily from Cisco's endpoint, network, email, and other security solutions. Through these submissions and their threat research, Talos gains visibility and the ability to protect millions of networks, mailboxes, and endpoints globally. As an example, Talos uses statistical models and deep learning and behavioral analytics to score internet traffic and DNS features as benign or malicious. All of the machine learning or ML models used are developed and maintained by the umbrella threat research team within Talos. As a result, Talos provides the threat and content categorization leveraged by Secure Access's DNS and web filtering. Secure Access pulls from Umbrella first with DNS security. By leveraging DNS, Secure Access can control access to applications and content or block threats before a connection was ever established. DNS security can be used for both roaming users using the Umbrella module or for networks. Secure Access also offers a secure web gateway or a full proxy for inspecting web traffic. The Secure Web Gateway can decrypt web traffic to include TLS 1.3 in order to enable Secure Access to provide additional CASB and security controls, including file inspection and analysis. In line with the Secure Web Gateway, Secure Access can also be used to isolate a user's browsing experience. With Remote Browser Isolation, or RBI, all the active content within a user's browsing session is isolated within a Chromium-based container without impacting performance or the user's browser experience. RBI enables end users to securely access necessary web destinations without the security team needing to worry about impacting the user performance. Because RBI enables the user to access resources they need to while still improving security, it could also be grouped underneath the user experience category. As mentioned before, Secure Access also provides Content Access Security Broker, or CASB controls. Secure Access leverages its visibility from its DNS security, firewall as a service, and secure web gateway to identify what SaaS resources users are leveraging and to provide additional context to administrators. Administrators can see which users are using which applications, details about those applications, and then manage application access and usage to include tenant control. In addition to application visibility and context, Secure Access also provides multi-mode data loss prevention, file analysis, and sandboxing. Secure Access's data loss prevention is multi-mode, both in-band with the Secure Web Gateway as well as out-of-band via API for SaaS applications. Both work to identify or prevent data exfiltration by users or malicious parties by leveraging either 190 plus built-in or custom classifiers, as well as built-in or custom dictionaries. Administrators can then choose to respond to an incident based on the context provided, enabling them to take the appropriate action. Files and web traffic decrypted by Secure Access can be inspected by the Secure Web Gateway's antivirus engines and Cisco's advanced malware protection. Files identified as malicious will be blocked, files identified as no good will be permitted, and files of an unknown disposition can be sandboxed by Cisco's Secure Malware Analytics. Administrators also get access to the full Secure Malware Analytics dashboard to include the ability to submit their own files, see file execution actions, capture file network activity, and get full reports about submitted files. Secure Access's cloud malware detection also enables out-of-band inspection of files hosted by cloud-hosted file services in order to detect and remediate malicious files before they ever reach an endpoint. Finally, Secure Access offers firewall as a service. The firewall as a service can be leveraged either using the Remote Access VPN as a service or by building IPsec tunnels from network devices to Secure Access. This firewall provides a centralized policy for layer 3, 4, and 7 controls, as well as IDS or IPS. The firewall leverages Snort 3 for IPS, similar to the Cisco Meraki MX, as well as the Cisco Firepower firewalls. Signatures for the IPS are all written by Cisco Talos, and there are currently over 50,000 plus signatures that can be leveraged in either one of 4 pre-built templates or within a custom template. Now, for organizations that don't want to enforce always-on VPN, I expect the firewall as a service might be most often leveraged by organizations wanting to use secure access with a pre-existing SD-WAN solution in order for them to make their own Secure Access Services Edge, or SASE architecture. In a SASE architecture, these organizations may be looking to extend security controls to branch sites that don't currently have security services, but for which they want to offer direct internet access from. Organizations can leverage the centralized firewall policy from Secure Access to quickly and easily manage the secure internet access for all of these branch sites without having to either enable security services on the existing WAN edge or put a second appliance at all of these branch locations. Because of this, Firewall as a Service could be included under IT because it simplifies the security implementation. Alright, now I know that was a lot, but now I've covered everything that I've grouped under both user experience and security, and now I can move to the IT category. First, all these capabilities are managed under a single cloud-hosted dashboard. Administrators won't need to deploy appliances or manage multiple dashboards in order to manage both the secure internet or private access with Cisco Secure Access. Reporting is also aggregated, enabling faster detection, investigation, and remediation, as well as giving administrators greater visibility, context, and control. Secure access policy management is simplified with a single intent-based policy. All of the previously mentioned access and security controls are all managed within this one policy. This simplified management helps improve security and user experience, especially when paired with the context from reporting. Finally, connectivity from private applications to secure access can be done through tunnels or through application connectors. Tunnels are the standard IPsec tunnel using IPv2 that would be used to secure internet access from branch sites, but used for backhaul connectivity. The application connectors provide a simple but secure connection for applications to secure access without requiring complex routing changes or changes to firewall configurations that might be required for the tunnels. End users can access applications as determined by the previously discussed Zero Trust access policies and methods, which would enable specific end users to connect only to specific applications. These are the features and components that Cisco Secure Access is offering today. As a SaaS solution, these components could change in the future and additional things could be added. In summary, Cisco Secure Access is Cisco's Security Services Edge solution. Secure Access focuses on securing internet and private application access within a single cloud-hosted dashboard with a single intent-based policy in order to optimize user experience, enhance security, and improve the IT team's operational experience. And that wraps up this overview of Cisco Secure Access. If you've enjoyed this video and found it informative, please give it a thumbs up. Your support really makes a difference and helps guide our journey together in this world of tech and security. I'm David, and this has been Decrypt-Ed. Take care and stay safe.